Uh, Hello, dear connections. Today we will discuss about one important, like one important Power BI trick, and also in this video. After seeing this video, you will understand. After seeing this video, you will understand that why lookup value DAX function is very much important in daily project work. So let me show you the client requirement at first. So client wants, like in the SAP analytics tool dashboard of client, there is a simple table visual which has three columns: customer key, which will come from the fact table; customer key, which will come from the feedback table. Feedback table is nothing but a dimension table; and product category. This product category is present in the fact table. These three things we need to fetch in Power BI. Like the dashboard will show exactly same, should show exactly same like in Power BI. And let's jump into our Power BI. So I already take a table visual here. Now at first what we need to take, we need to take the customer key from the fact table. See, in the fact table customer key is there. You may have a question like what is the context, what is this data model is all about, and from where I get the data. For getting the context, you can see my previous video where I showed you the um, a complex data modeling technique using this data model only. Don't worry, I will give the previous video link in the description box also for your reference. So now let's concentrate here. I took customer key from the fact table as per requirement. Now we need the customer key from the feedback table. Feedback table is nothing but a dim table. Yeah, see, dim feedback. From here we need to take the customer key. Let me click on it. See, there is no relationship between dim feedback and fact table. Both tables are connected via a bridge table. So both tables are connected via bridge table. Hmm. So you can see the bridge table. This is the bridge table. Let me show you. Yeah, see, this is the bridge table which has customer key. Hmm. Dim feedback is connected with it, and fact table also connected with it. Fact opportunity and fact table also connected with it via customer key. Now, what should we do for solving this issue? So, for solving this issue, we need to create a calculated column in the fact table using lookup value DAX function. So, I already wrote down the DAX code. Let me show you. So, this will be our DAX code. Lookup value, like the syntax of lookup value is like let me show you from internet. See, in the lookup value, the first argument will be the result column set. Here, our result column set is customer key from dim feedback. We want this customer key from the dim feedback table. Hmm. Then what is the next argument? The next argument is search column name, the column that contains the search value. So the search value will be the customer key from the same table, like from the dim feedback table, the customer key will be our search value. And the last but not the least, search value, like the value that you want to find in the search column. Here, what value we are finding? what value we are finding? We are finding the customer key value. So here at last we need to take the customer key from the fact table. Okay. Now there is another argument, that is alternate result. Like, it is not mandatory, it is optional. Like, if you declare it, you can declare. If you not declare, it will show blank for that particular rows where there will be no matching. Like after searching, if there is no match they can't find, they will show the blank value. So in our case we are showing the blank values only. So let me copy it. In the fact opportunity table, I will right click on it and new column. Backspace, then Control V. Yeah. So this is the feedback customer key column. I already described the lookup value syntax and our code. Now we need to take this into the table table visual. Now what is the last one? Product category. Product category will come from here. Wait a minute, something is wrong. Yeah, the wrong thing is the feedback customer is coming as sum of the thing. Like, but we should not summarize it. So click on don't summarize. Yeah, see, there was no matching value for 1 2. That's why in feedback customer column, in our calculated column, it is showing the blank value as per the syntax of lookup value. The alternate result is showing as blank since there is no matching value. And here this 3 is the desired value. This customer key and customer key is matching, so it is showing us that it is printing the values of 3, 4, and all the things. So I hope you all have understood the importance of lookup value. We often overlook this function, but we should keep in mind, like, this kind of complex requirement may come in your daily project work. And if you have any further doubt, please let me know in comment section. I will be there to help you. Thank you very much.